I'm going to be sharing with you a simple trick on how to preserve your tomatoes without any form of refrigeration or freezing. So no fear for NEPA. First stage, get your tomatoes from your produce market, wash, de-seed them, grind them with your red bell pepper. Prep your pot, pour in your grinded tomatoes and allow to boil for like 30 to 40 minutes. Stir thoroughly. When it's thick enough, it's time for you to drain. Now after this stage, next is our mixing bottles. Mayonnaise bottles, jam bottles. Get them treated by putting them in a hot water to treat it from any form of germs and get them ready. Now they are ready.